You wore your seatbelts today?
Yes.
Every day?
Yes.
I think traffic wardens, we should ask this class if they wore their seatbelts. Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Shh,
shh.
Did you wear your seatbelt?
If you did, you have to say yes, and then you can go to your seats.
Yes. Yes. Did you? Yes. Did you? Yes.
Did you all wear your seatbelts today too?
Yes.
Each year, up to 50 million people are injured in traffic accidents.
So wear your seatbelts and stay safe.
Here comes the traffic police.
Stop! You're not wearing a seatbelt. All of you. And you are on your phone. And you have a baby. It's not allowed. You need to take it in the baby seat. You stop jumping. And you don't wear your own seatbelts and you don't.
I'm gonna wear my seatbelt
out the window.
Go.
Ali, don't text while you're driving. Look where you're going. Put your seat.
Stop. Are you not wearing your seatbelt?
Yes.
Are we driving along? Are you ready?
Hello, what are you doing? So we mean jumping on the door.
On our way to BSB, here comes a mummy and her daughter and her baby daughter. Is this good? Look at how they're travelling to school.
Excuse me. You cannot hold your baby. And she cannot sit in the front. Put on your seatbelt, everyone. Yes, Dad. Lot of young people die in traffic accidents every year. So follow Bahrain's traffic laws to stay safe. Yes. Who do I call if I need some help? I don't know. 999!
Again?
999!
In England, we always wear our seatbelts.
We want everyone in Bahrain to wear their seat belts.